Michelle from Muskegon Area District Library. I'd like to show you how to make our Take It, Make It craft kits, Grow a Pet. These kits are available at MADL branches while supplies last, and they're intended for 6th grade and younger. In your kit, you're going to get a styrofoam cup. You will get 2 mouth stickers and 4 eyeball stickers, a cup of grass seed, and you're going to get 3 of these peat pellets. The peat pellets are quite dirty because they're really just compressed dirt. So what we found when we started packing these up is the outside of the cup got kind of dirty. So you might want to just wipe off your cup before you get started with the whole craft. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to decide which mouth you want to use. I like the one that's really smiling big. So I'm going to take this one and I'm just going to put it right here on my cup. You can see that. And then you can pick whichever set of eyes you want. I like the littler eyes on this one. So I'm going to take these and I will set them right here on the cup to give my pet a face. Now, the next step is to take one of the peat pellets, or actually all of the peat pellets, and you're going to put them in water. I'm just going to put one in right now so you can see what I'm talking about. It's just a cup or a bowl of warm water, and you drop your pellet in and let it set and soak. You need about 1.5 inches of water, and you need to let it set for a few minutes, and once it's all done, it will have grown to be like this. So it goes from this small thing to this bigger thing. And then you're going to take this, and now I've already done 2 of them and put them in my pet. So what I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to peel off, there's a netting around it, I'm going to peel that off, just kind of rip it. It's really easy to rip. And I'm going to end up with a big pile of dirt here. So this I'm going to take and break up. That's what I've done with the other ones. Break it up a little bit and get it around in my cup. Now you don't want to pack the cup down. You just want to break it up so that it's kind of all over inside your cup like that. The next step is to take the grass seed and just go ahead and sprinkle it on there. And you want to sprinkle it all around. You don't want to put it all in one spot. And if you feel like you've got enough, you might not even need to use all of the grass seed. Totally up to you. But you can see I just smeared it all around, scattered it everywhere. After you let your grass seed sit for a few days, your grass will start growing. This grass has been growing for more than a week, probably about 2 weeks, so it's going to take a while for it to get this long. But when you're ready to trim his hair, it's really easy. You can just trim it however you want. You can trim a little bit, you can trim a lot of it, you can just tidy him up. There we go. And give him a nice haircut. I have another one here so you can see that you can cut it nice and short if you choose to, but here's the key. Be sure you keep watering it. You don't want to water him too much, and you definitely don't want to water him not enough. That's what I did with this one, and now instead of smiling, he's sad because his grass hair is just all gone now. That is our Take It, Make It craft kits. Hope you have fun with it. Be sure to watch MADL.org and our Facebook and YouTube channel for more fun activities at the library.